Alex, please wake up quickly. Our baby just started crying very loudly, and it doesn't sound normal at all.
I'm awake now, Jane. And yes, his crying sounds sharper and more painful than usual.
I already checked his diaper carefully, and it's clean, so that's not the problem.
Let me lift him gently and see if holding him close makes him feel better.
He keeps twisting his body and crying even harder when you move him.
That usually means he's feeling some kind of discomfort or pain.
My heart is sinking because I don't know what exactly is hurting him.
I'll slowly touch his tummy to see how he reacts.
Oh no, he cried louder the moment you touched his stomach.
Yes, that reaction shows that he might be having stomach pain.
I feel so helpless seeing him suffer like this in the middle of the night.
I know, but let's stay calm and try to understand what's happening.
He hasn't cried like this before, which makes me really scared.
I'm worried too, because this crying is continuous and unusual.
Should we wait a little longer? Or do you think this needs medical attention?
Let's observe him for a short time, but we should be prepared to act quickly.
He's still crying nonstop and not calming down at all.
That's not a good sign, and we should take this seriously.
My hands are shaking because I'm so anxious.
Don't worry, Jane. We'll handle this together as parents.
I really hope this pain passes soon.
If it doesn't, we'll take the right step immediately.
Alex, it's been quite some time now, and our baby is still crying without any relief.
Yes, I've noticed that his crying hasn't reduced even a little.
I tried feeding him slowly, but he refused the milk completely.
That's unusual for him, especially at this hour.
His body also feels warmer than normal when I touch him.
I really don't think we should wait anymore.
Are you sure? We should take him to the doctor right now.
Yes, it's always better to be safe when it comes to a baby.
My mother's instinct tells me something isn't right.
I'll get ready quickly and take the car out.
I'll pack his essentials and medicines just in case.
Don't forget to bring his medical records, too.
I'm holding him gently, but he still looks uncomfortable.
Poor little one, he must be in real pain.
I feel terrible seeing him like this and not being able to help.
You're doing everything right as a mother.
I'm still scared, Alex. I won't lie.
The doctor will help us understand what's going on.
Let's leave immediately without wasting more time.
Yes, the nearby clinic stays open all night.
Please drive carefully but quickly.
I promise, just stay calm.
Good evening. Please come in and tell me what seems to be the problem.
Good evening, doctor. We are extremely worried about our baby.
He suddenly started crying loudly during the night and wouldn't stop.
How old is your baby right now?
He is 6 months old.
Has this crying been continuous since it started?
Yes, doctor, it has been going on for a long time.
Did he feed normally earlier today?
No, he refused to drink milk after the crying began.
Did you notice any vomiting or loose motions?
No, but his body felt slightly warm.
I understand why you're concerned.
His crying sounded like he was in pain.
I will examine him thoroughly to find the cause.
Please take your time, doctor.
First, I'll check his temperature.
Is it high, doctor?
It's mildly elevated, but not very high.
That could explain his discomfort.
Let me continue with the examination.
Please help him feel better soon.
You did the right thing by coming early. I'm going to check his ears first to rule out any infection.
He's crying again. Doctor, I'm sorry.
That's completely normal during an examination.
Please don't worry about us. Just focus on him.
His ears look fine and healthy.
That's a relief to hear.
Now I'll check his throat for any redness.
He's moving a lot because he's uncomfortable.
I can see mild redness in his throat.
Can that cause so much pain?
It can cause irritation and discomfort.
What about his stomach?
I'll gently press his tummy to check.
He cried louder when you touched it.
Yes, that reaction suggests gas pain.
So that's the main issue?
Yes, along with mild fever.
Is it something serious?
No, it's quite common in infants.
Thank God for that.
I'll explain the treatment now.
We're listening carefully, doctor.
Your baby is experiencing gas discomfort, along with mild infection-related irritation.
That explains why he was crying so intensely.
Is this condition dangerous for such a small baby?
No, it's not dangerous if treated properly.
We were extremely frightened.
That's completely normal for first-time parents.
What usually causes this problem?
It often happens due to digestion issues or feeding posture.
We'll be more careful during feeding from now on.
That will definitely help.
How soon will he start feeling better?
You should notice improvement within a few hours.
That's such a relief to hear.
Babies communicate pain only through crying.
Now we understand his signals better.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You brought him at the right time.
We're very grateful for that reassurance.
We trust your guidance completely.
I'll prescribe the necessary medicines now.
Okay, doctor.
Please follow the instructions carefully. I'm prescribing gas drops and a mild fever syrup for him.
How often should we give these medicines?
Please follow the dosage written on the prescription.
Are there any side effects we should watch for?
No serious side effects if given correctly.
Should we change his feeding routine?
Yes, keep him upright after every feeding.
For how long should we do that?
At least 20 minutes after each feed.
We'll make sure to follow that.
Gentle tummy massage will also help release gas.
We'll do that carefully.
Try giving smaller feeds more frequently.
Even if he resists a little?
Yes, patience is very important.
We understand that.
Return immediately if the crying continues.
Hopefully he will improve soon.
I'm confident he will.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
We truly appreciate your help.
Have a safe journey home?
Alex, he's finally stopped crying and looks much calmer now.
Yes, the medicine seems to be working already.
His face looks relaxed for the first time tonight.
He's slowly closing his eyes.
I feel such a huge sense of relief.
Me too, my tension is finally easing.
I'm glad we didn't delay the doctor visit.
That was the best decision.
His breathing is steady now.
And his body feels cooler.
Poor baby, he must have been in pain.
But he's safe now.
I'll hold him gently.
Let him rest peacefully.
I'll keep watching him closely.
I'll stay alert too.
He looks comfortable now.
I'm really thankful.
Me too.
Let's head home slowly.
Yes, he needs rest.
Everything is under control now.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps me create more helpful videos for you.